Ethereum hits $1,000 a coin, Eero lays off 20% of staff, and Mark Zuckerberg issues his 2018 challenge. It's Thursday, January 4th, and this is Crunch Report. The world that we now live in is crazy. Why? Because of cryptocurrency. I mean, what the heck? Bitcoin went on a tear, Ripple went insane and is the second most valuable currency by market cap, and now Ethereum tokens, Ethers, have reached $1,000 on multiple major exchanges for the first time ever. This is an all-time high and the result of a multiple-day rally. The total market capitalization of Ethers currently available is now $100 billion. One Ether was worth around $700 to $800 for most of the second half of December, but over the past 7 days, Ethers have been trading up 40%. For reference, Bitcoin now only represents 32.5% of all value of all cryptocurrencies in circulation. Eero, the mesh Wi-Fi router startup, has laid off 20% of its workforce. We heard from Eero that about 30 employees were let go, but they declined to comment on their total workforce size. Eero has raised $90 million from a slew of VC firms. Its most recent round came in May 2016 with $50 million in funding. In a statement, an Eero spokesperson said, "Over the past year, we explored several related projects, and we've now made the tough decision to eliminate one new project in favor of greater focus on our core business. We do not take this lightly, and unfortunately, this shift means about 30 colleagues will no longer be working at Eero." Best of luck to everybody who was affected by that layoff. In past Zuckerberg challenges, he learned Mandarin, ran a ton, read a bunch, and built his own personal AI. This year, the challenge takes new form. It's all about Facebook and improving the platform. First, Zuckerberg wants to foster trust to drive growth and to make people love Facebook again. Second, Facebook wants to prove that it can regulate itself. The company doesn't want to deal with new regulation, antitrust committee, and Senate investigations. In his Facebook post, he said, "My personal challenge for 2018 is to focus on fixing these important issues. We won't prevent all mistakes or abuse, but we currently make too many errors enforcing our policies and preventing misuse of our tools. If we're successful this year, then we'll end 2018 on a much better trajectory." I would have liked to have seen him compete in the Nathan's Hot Dog Challenge. Now that's a real challenge. See how many hot dogs those guys eat? It's crazy. That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging. Crunch Reports every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. Also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right, see you tomorrow.